express 0.12 in the form of p by q. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just skip this decimal and write the number you are getting. So after skipping decimal, we are getting number 12. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, we have to consider 10, of course, as a multiplication. Here we have 2 digit after decimal, so I have written 210 as a multiplication. Now I need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? I need to divide numerator and denominator by a number which is called factor, that is common factor. This 12 is divisible by 2, this 10 is divisible by 2. If I divide this 12 by 2, I will get 6, and if I divide this 10 by 2, I will get 5. Again, this 6 is divisible by 2, this 10 is divisible by 2. So if I divide this 10 by 2, I will get 5. If I divide this 6 by 2, I will get 3. Look, I have gotten 3, and 5 times 5, 25. Look, this 3 is a prime number. So the common factor between this 3 and 25 is just 1. So we can say that this is the lowest term or reduced form or simplified form.